Little Amy Club.
Hello, little artists. Today we're going to draw a beautiful princess. Let's draw together. Let's start with a nice round face. Now, draw a pretty crown on top. Next, draw the princess's long, wavy hair. Let's draw her upper body. Draw her arms. Draw her hands gently folded together. Next, draw the top layer of her beautiful dress. Then, draw the long skirt underneath. You can design your own princess dress. Our princess is all sketched. Let's color our princess. First, color her face, neck, arms, and hands with a soft skin tone. Color her hair light brown. Color the crown bright yellow. What color is your favorite crown? Next, color the top of the dress pink. Now, color the long skirt light blue. Can you make your princess dress rainbow colored? Color the top skirt layer bright pink. Now, add some soft shadows to make the dress look beautiful. Then, add bright highlights to make it sparkle. Wow, this princess looks beautiful. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.